Yeah.
Your database.
Yes, I remember that question. It was you who asked Emerald, right?
I think it's Bello, because Bello had that issue when he asked Emerald, even I think in the last class that you remember he had a recovery catalog database, and he had 2 of his database registered there. Then he mistakenly did what, and Emerald told him to unregister them, then register them back.
Yes, I remember.
So to me, what I was thinking here is, once you created those stuff and you connected, once it said connected to recovery catalog database, you don't need to create the database again. That's what I'm trying to think. That's just the issue I was trying to solve. Because if it says connected to recovery catalog database, it means
here, I don't really get you.
Huh?
I don't really get what you are saying because it's like too much noise. I don't know where.
Desmond.
Yeah.
It's Desmond.
I don't know if some. Okay, let me just put it this way.
I'm here.
That's $10.
So what do I need to do?
Let me show you.
Sorry.
Let me show you.
Sorry, I didn't get a question. I didn't get a question, guys. I'm sorry about it. I know we created a catalog, and he was asking if the catalog was created because of the initial command that we ran. I believe that it's because of the initial command that we ran. You know, and the catalog.
That's why I'm saying that if that is the issue, because to me, I think if you are connected, it says connected to recovery catalog database, right?
Yes.
If it says this, to me, I think the catalog was already created. That's why it says connected to recovery catalog database.
Yes, exactly. The catalog was already created before his internet went off. The catalog created itself. So that is why we are now.
Before he issued that command, he never showed something like connected to recovery catalog database?
No,
I did it. I think I did it.
It did not show. It was still running. You remember before you put the semicolon, it was still running.
Yeah, I was still running.
Okay, all right.
Yes, it was still running before you put that semicolon, and the internet just went off or something.
All right.
So, how are we going to do now to switch? How are we going to switch to copy of all database belonging to hacking server and other?
It's Arman. You have to switch. I don't know, but for me, it's like switch data 56 slash. I don't know. You can try. Because it was 6, right, Renata? 6 to 25.
Yes, but before that, Sakisa, I want you to try something. So try to connect, like, I don't know if you need to exit. Yeah, exit from Arman. Now do Arman target. No, Arman target / catalog Brontech. No, there's a space in between target and / space, yeah, catalog Brontech, no, Brontech / Brontech 1. There's no slash Brontech / Brontech 1 at ORCL. At ORCL.
We try this.
Yeah. Enter.
Yeah.
Perfect. So what I was trying to explain was that if, for example, somebody told me about registering a database, if I want to register another database, I need to do that. Now, if I'm Sakisa, what is the, give me another name of any of the database?
TLSDMO.
TLSDMO.
No. The first thing you need to do, exit again. Exit.
That command is for to register another seed.
Set the environment and connect to TLSDMO.
Akisa, can I record?
Yep.
I want to play with Dave on my phone right now.
Renata, what you did now was trying to register another database to that catalog, right?
Okay.
No, I wanted to register another database, but I haven't done it. So I just want to show you guys.
That's why I said that was the command, right?
No, that was not the command.
So this command you issued was for what?
Okay, I'm just going to explain. Oh my God, there's so much noise. TLSDMO.
You want to register what? That's why I'm asking.
Renata, the first command you issued now was for what?
I wanted to connect to my catalog.
You wanted to connect to your catalog?
Yeah, TLSDMO. Enter.
I don't understand.
Did you join me?
You were already in the catalog database, then you wanted to connect to your catalog.
Takisa, please mute yourself. There's a lot of noise in your background. Thank you.
Renata.
So, okay, this Joseph, let me just explain. The catalog I created it in ORCL. Now I want to register TLSDMO. I'm gonna issue Alman target / catalog Brontech1 at ORCL. Takisa, copy and paste, please.
Or at ORCL?
It's
at
going
ORCL.
to be. Why? Because it's like the data, the target database.
ORCL is your recovery catalog database. Takisa, please copy and paste that command. The one you Alman target / paste.
Oh, okay, I understand now. You are working in TLSDMO, but your recovery catalog, we are using by the recovery catalog of ORCL. So now TLSDMO normally will be connected to the recovery catalog. You want to register TLSDMO to the recovery catalog, right?
Exactly.
So why we don't put at TLSDMO if we need to register?
Because we are working in TLSDMO.
What a bit, there's something wrong somewhere.
No, we are working on TLSDMO.
He has connected that to TLSDMO.
He has connected to TLS.
Okay, so that's why he made that command.
No, Sakisa, did I enter it? Send the environment back. Send back your environment.
So what's wrong? Say it again, Joseph. I need to understand. Say it again. We are working now on TLSDMO. So
yes,
he has to
connected. Wait, let me explain.
Now
he has changed the environment from ORCL to TLSDMO, right?
Sorry. Aura.
Bibi, are you getting me?
Say it again.
He has changed the environment. Before we are working on the recovery catalog database, right? Which is ORCL.
Yes.
So that is where we have our recovery catalog. Now we have to switch now to TLSDMO.
That database, is it working?
So TLSDMO now is not registered. So we have to connect now to TLSDMO, and then now we
let me check the name. I want to make sure.
Wait, people are talking at the same time. I don't know. Say it again, please, Joseph.
Can we continue now?
Can you continue, please? Yeah.
All right. So you have to connect now to TLSDMO. For example, if there's a database, you want to register to
unmute yourself, please.
Because we already have a recovery catalog. I have just one recovery catalog. So now you connect to TLSDMO, and now you issue now that command. The command to issue, when you issue that command is because you want to register TLSDMO to that recovery catalog.
Okay. And that recovery catalog comes with the ORCL, the first one.
It is ORCL which is the recovery catalog database. So that is the recovery catalog database we are using.
Yes.
So if you create another database again, you will still use this same recovery catalog to register the database.
So that's the first one. An example, you did like student 26, right? You see Brontech at student 26, but you set another environment. So you start, you need to recover. At the end, it will be also student 26, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
The only thing that changes there is for you to register, to make sure that the database is registered to the recovery catalog.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm connected to TLS DMO.
No, I did not ask you to connect to SQL Plus. Exit from SQL Plus and run the command.
No, you don't want me to be connected as a SQL, right? So just exit.
Exit SQL. It's like Dave and Stratford, they really understand this thing here. They have no question.
Joseph, you're not serious. You're not serious.
Me?
Yes.
Why do you say that?
Stratford, I need. Thank God you. Joseph reminded me. Stratford
left.
He's connected, but he's not near the computer. Hello, Stratford.
Now they say I reminded you what? I reminded you of what?
I wanted to ask him, like, he needs to tell us whether he's in or he's out, because this is not a playing ground. You will not enter and leave. Enter when you want, leave when you want, enter when you want, leave.
He's in. You not see if somebody is in, he say if you want to ask if he's in or out.
So he's just gonna tell us. When his brother Romain comes, he's gonna tell us whether he's in or out. This is not a playing ground. Takisa, you can run that command.
It's really when his brother Romain comes.
You can go ahead and copy it. Yeah, copy and paste.
It's not there anymore. Because it's not there anymore.
No problem. Just type it.
Yeah, Arman
target / catalog Brontech.
Why do you not use that command, the up and down command, to bring it? Well, now that command doesn't work on our here.
Which command?
You are up and down, and like to bring what you have typed before now.
Except he doesn't have it anymore.
It's not there because.
No, I don't mean to go and copy. If you do it, it will not come.
To make do the command to make it come back.
Yeah, you know the up and down button, and like we used to do it now. Like if
I heard everyone talking about it one day. I don't know. I've never tried it.
You don't know what
I see what you're talking about, Joseph, but I haven't tried it. So
let's go and type it.
One.
Yeah, just go and type it.
Brontech one. ORCL.
Okay.
At ORCL.
Correct, right? Connected to recovery catalog database.
Okay, good. Now you can go ahead and register the database. So Bibish, what we're trying to do is that we want to register TLS DMO. And to be able to register TLS DMO, I need to connect to my my Hikobi catalog database. That means the database in which I created the Hikobi catalog. So that it was ORCL. That's the reason why at the end of the command, you see I did at ORCL. The normal command connect to a catalog, but I'm just adding at ORCL to mention my Hikobi catalog database.
Yes, I got you.
Exactly. Now the only thing I need to do is register database, and my TLS DMO is going to be registered.
And that's it. We are done with that. We have registered it.
Yeah, that's it.
Excuse me, guys. Have we switched the data files already? Okay.
Not yet. So, Shakisa, you're free to do it, or you can just leave it. The most important thing was to show everybody how to register a database. So, you can connect back to ORCL, because that's where we're working. Exit from Alman, connect to ORCL, connect to your Hikobi catalog.
Sakista. Connect back to your Alman catalog. It's not Alman catalog only. Alman, you need to register to connect to your Alman catalog, right? Let me, maybe I mute myself, I don't know. Sakisa.
Let me look at that command again.
Yes.
It's Alman target / catalog Bontech/Bontech1 at ORCL.
He said, I think this one says you don't need to put a target anymore.
If you're already in ORCL, you don't need to put
just put Alman catalog Bontech/Bontech1.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Yes.
That's it.
So I think we have to go back to switch all to copy. I think it's the next. We are only on number 2. Oh my God.
Okay, good. So the next thing you want to do is to switch to copy. So you just need to switch copy. Switch copy. You put the number of your data files and you
switch data file 6
switch data file to copy
to 25. It's not that. It was 6 to 25, right?
Yes, I think. Yeah.
Switch. Check your switch. Check the way you put switch. Yes. Switch data file. Six.
What is this switch? What is the objective of the switch?
Well, I don't know if your database. I think your database needs to be mounted. So I don't know if it's gonna work without your database being mounted.
Oh.
If it is open, it is not going to work.
So you have to go back to SQL.
You can do it on Alman, right? You can shut down, you can start up Mount on Alman. I guess I can just try it.
I don't know if startup will work here. I don't know.
He has to shut down first, right?
Yeah.
Shut down the bus.
Excuse me, I went to get water from the fridge. To switch these things, these data files, are some of them online or I don't know. I was just asking. I saw where they check.
We checked before with Renal that it was like online, so I don't know.
So can you switch when they are online?
Oh my God, you guys want us to exit the game and go look whether the database is online or not? But I think it's online. I think the database is online. So I guess I shut down the bot. I want to see if it works on. I think it works on Alman. Okay, it's not an Alman command.
Why are we shutting that about, please?
You want to start up mount. Your database needs to be mounted to be able to switch to copy. Okay, exit from Alman, by the way.
What is the objective of that switch command? What is it?
Okay. What is the objective of switch to copy? It's like it's like back. You don't need to back up. If I have a copy, that means I don't need to back up anymore because backing up is doing a copy, right? So in case my database crashes and I didn't do any backup, I just switch to copy. Like switch to copy. I don't need to do any backup. I switch to copy.
So if I understand, it's just like a switch to copy backup, the image backup. Like if you have image backup, right?
The image backup everything. Even the data file is empty, it backups. That the image.
Okay. Well, let me. Okay. Yeah. I get it now. So let me just like have a normal database. A normal database must have backups, right? You cannot have a database at your job site and that database doesn't have backups. If my database crashes, am I gonna lose my backups too?
No.
No. Okay. When I switch to copy, I'm turning my backup location to my live location. I'm turning my backup location to my live location. That means that I'm still gonna have the backup. I'm copying, like I'm trying to copy my backup. I'm just switching my backup location to my live location, but I'm still gonna have backups. For example, if my database crashes, right, my live location is empty. I'm just left with my backup, right? I'm just left with my backup. But when I switch to copy, that means I now have copy two. My backup becomes my live location, and when I switch to copy, it is still my backup. That means if the database crash again, I still have my backup. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. I'm turning my backup location to my live location. If my database crashes, I'm just left my backup. If I, for example, if I delete those backups, if I delete those backups, I don't have anything. But if I did my switch to copy, that means I brought my backup location to my live location, but I'm still left with a backup because I switched my data files to copy.
Wait. Maybe I'm not understanding. Or wait. When you switch to copy, you say, what have you done? Like,
I'm sending a backup location to a live location.
Wait, when you switch to copy, you are turning your backup location
to live location.
So if I understand, I believe you have to switch your backup location to your live location. When that has to happen when you have lost maybe your data file or when you lost something and you want to recover.
Exactly. When you've lost your live location, for example, in most cases, is when you've lost your live location, you're just left with your backup. to be more secured, like in case because something can happen to your backup and you lost.
Now I really understand. So for example, when you're working for example, if you're working now, you have just a database, and the first thing you do, you back it up.
Exactly.
So now you are working out with your live database and you have the backup, which is if you have a crash, you will use your backups. Now, for example, if a crash occurs, now you know you have those backups. But now for you to know if anything happens with those backups, you just switch to copy. So if anything like a crash again happens to those backups, you use now the switch to copy.
The switch to copy, that's it.
And to switch to copy, Emerald was saying last time that even you are in the morning, you go to work and the database crash, but you can solve that problem by just switching before recovering like later.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if you remember
you
that.
You can just switch to copy. Exactly. You can just switch to copy. A normal interpreter cannot just
because it's possible because
like with a backup.
Yeah, because a switch to copy is like a replica, like
yes,
exactly.
Yes, that one.
You had.
Yeah, to save time, to save everything, you switch to
copy. If you switch
first.
to copy, you can just switch to copy, and later on you can recover.
And later you can recover.
Later you can recover.
Yes.
So I have a quick question now to ask. Depending on the talking about the switch to copy and like being a replica of the what you lost, how long does the switch copy has to last for it to be like a replica, like to look like the same image of the live location or of the backup location?
I don't have no
Honestly,
idea.
I don't know. I don't
have no idea.
I don't have any idea.
But you don't understand what I'm trying to say, right?
Yeah, I got you.
For example, if we do a switch to copy now, and maybe after
for how long does it become obsolete?
Exactly, like maybe after 10 hours, or after 1 hour, after 30 minutes, after 20 hours.
I don't know, but to my understanding, Emerald was saying switch to copy save you to everything, but later at night something you have to recover.
The problem is even the backup saves you anything, but the backup has a lifetime.
Yes, but Emerald was saying like you can do it later, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, but don't forget to do it the same day. Just do it, but later you can do it. But the time
it has a lifetime.
But the time, exactly which time or what time, I don't know. That question is really important. So we can ask that question.
It has a
how
lifetime.
long?
So, Sakisa, you can you need to shut down your database. So connect to SQL Plus.
I don't know if we can finish those questions. Multiplex scheduler, multiplex control file.
Maybe.
It's 9:23. Yes, Joseph.
Don't have
they say who's Bibish?
No. We'll finish it. Even if the exam we use 3, some people use 1 week now to finish.
For DB2.
Yes, we stay like one.
Okay, Sakisa, start up now.
When we'll be in project, some people will finish their project when some people are already working.
Working, of course.
We are not rushing. We are going slow by slow.
Slowly, like my brother Sakisa.
I'm not rushing.
Understand? Not rushing. I can get my job maybe after 10 years, after 9 years.
But a good job, yes. And you have to know that everything in the life is like is that when God is your destiny.
Some of us are just going to do the internship.
It's your destiny. If God saved that place for you, you will get it.
Some of us don't have any time to lose. So even if it's the internship of an entry level database, we just go it.
Yeah.
So you can just connect back to your Alman catalog.
Sakisa, no grape juice?
He said no grape.
Sakisa is not okay. He's not even speaking.
International.
Why do you guys laughing on him like that? It's not.
We are not laughing. We are not laughing at Sakisa. We are just making fun. Nobody's laughing.
We are laughing at him, Marinette.
Huh?
Nobody's laughing at Sakisa.
You need some grape juice, right?
Me?
Nobody's laughing on Sakisa. We are just making fun of ourselves.
No. You say we're laughing at Sakisa? No, nobody is doing that.
We are just trying to make funny, to make it like.
Okay, connect to connect.
We cannot work like
he's good.
Frustrated.
So you can
to relax.
You can now switch to copy.
But
hey, I was out for some minutes. Why you guys didn't switch?
How can you switch to copy if he hasn't backed up? If I understand everything that you said.
Sakisa, do you have any backup? That's a good question, by the way. Do you have any backup on OLCL?
Like the hard
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Yeah, you know that he doesn't have. I don't have. I don't know which people have this thing.
I don't remember if I have yes or no.
No, if you don't have, you need to have a backup.
On which database are you working on? Telezemo or OLCL? Which
one?
one?
Okay. Just try it and see. Switch data file. Just try, for example, switch data file 6 and 7.
You can just verify list database backup now. There's this thing like that now. There's a command somewhere.
No, switch data file.
Switch data file 6 and 7.
There's no command on how to switch backups.
And please see, this is one thing I've wanted to know. This switch data files.
No.
Comma, it is comma 7.
Space.
No space in comma.
I see space.
Another. 6, 7.
You put first 6.
Please, can you all excuse me?
No.
To copy.
Space.
Yeah. To copy.
Space.
Please,
remove that. No. Remove that 7.
You guys should answer 7. Question before. Hey.
Yes. Just go ahead.
I wanted to know about this, like this switch to data file, right? This switch data file, this 6 and 7. I've always missed this part. How do they know this number, please? Can you go up?
Okay, you describe VDollar data file and you select the file number, the name, and the
describe. Where were you? Where were you?
I'm sorry, I've always missed this same part. Even in class, I don't really understand.
Whenever, if I want to know the name of my data files or the status, I'm gonna describe VDollar data file, right?
Yeah.
When I select the file number, the status, and the name from VDollar data file. That's where you have the status, whether your database is online or offline. You have the number of your data files and you have the names.
So he did it already?
Yeah,
yes, do the command. Just write down the command to the notepad so everybody can take it.
Okay.
Because
Sakisa, go to your notepad, make a slash.
Because I always see this.
Yeah, so everybody can understand.
Because yeah.
For example, if you want to back up, if you want to recover from the loss of a system data file, your data file needs to be offline, and to know the status of your data file, you need to select the status from VDollar data file. You need to enter the command.
Sakisa, you have the other notepad open.
And the command to switch your data file, you need to know the file number to be able to put your data file on offline. Alter data file, that alter database data file, for example, 1 offline. That's the command. So you need to know the status and the file number.
Yeah, I understand.
For example.
I understand. But in this case, Renata, in the case, like, if, for example, you don't want to use the file number, you can still like put the file name, right? It's gonna work, right?
No, I don't see that example.
You say no?
No. It is not a file. It is a data file. It's not like
it's a data file. Yeah, I know it's a data file. So
space, for example, if it was a table space, you could just put table space X or table space Apple or a data file. For example, if I create a table space, I'll create a table space Brontech. I'll put my data files Brontech 01, Brontech 02, Brontech 03. Right? So it is not like a table space that I just have my table space. I cannot have 2 table space Brontech. You see what I mean? So I need my data file's number. It is a data file.
Okay, I understand. Okay.
I need my data file number.
Yeah, I remember when they were explaining this. I remember.
Okay, so Sakisa, just desk v desk v dollar data file. V dollar data file.
V dollar.
Now you select the file number. You remember when we're talking about the what was the sign? Was it the pound sign?
Yeah.
File number. Sign. That's when we're trying to see.
Go to the second line.
The second line, you select the file number, the name and the status. No, select file number. There's no there. 5 pound sign.
Forget your pound sign.
Yeah. The name, status. Remember, always put a comma. It is not one word, so you need to put commas. File number, comma, name, comma.
After file number, comma.
No, I didn't see that comma. I don't know.
It has to, file number is different from file name now.
Yes.
But it's no
name.
Space
This
name.
is space.
Space name. Space name.
Comma, status from V.data file.
So this is to see the number of the data file, and then the video.
From
the name, the file number, and the status.
The status, yeah.
That's why you see they have put command. Usually they are different things. You want to see the
number.
number.
From V.data file.
Okay, go back to your puri.
People have not shown how to end those commands. You have just put it like that.
And that's how you do now.
Please, you send it in the group, please. Thank you.
Okay, to copy. Continue your command to copy. So basically, we want to see if we can switch your data file to copy without backup. But normally you cannot.
It's to copy.
Copy or CD?
To
copy.
To copy, not CD.
CD is on operating system.
Okay.
Continue your command to copy. No, it's all
semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yeah, semicolon.
Okay, good. You don't have a backup.
You don't have it.
Good. So you understand now. Switch to copy. You're changing your backup location to your live location.
Hold on, please. Can you people explain here now? Because you say, okay. You people just said, okay. You can you explain now how someone can know that is because you have not done a backup or something?
It is like the main idea, right, of the switch to copy. You're changing your backup location to your live location.
I understand.
And your switch to copy becomes a backup. That means if you don't have
I understand, Renata. I understand what I'm saying. Like, you see, they say error did this. Like, what you have to start explaining, like, you can explain to the person. If you see this error, like, you understand. I don't know if you already know that.
The error is not specified.
Because it doesn't have
the error is not specified.
Okay.
It is even there. It said data file 6 does not have a coverable copy. That means you didn't do any backup. You see the last error. Data file 6 does not have a coverable copy. You didn't do any.
Which means it doesn't have where they want to recover it from, like where they want.
Yes, from where? Yes.
Exactly. So you understand the idea of that switch to copy. Your backup becomes your live location, and your switch to copy becomes your backup.
Yeah. So the switch to
What
copy action.
what is the live location now?
Your live location is okay. Okay, exit from Arman.
You have to go to
exit from Arman. You
Your
remember
live
when you went?
location is like your live
remember,
location is like your present database that you're working on now.
Is
you remember when you were exactly when you were the steps to
no,
do
because
the backup.
we switch. I mean like.
PD.
Okay, Takisa carry out a hot backup. Just go ahead and do a hot backup. I guess everybody
is the database registered to the to archive mode.
So it is one of the steps. So I hope and I guess everybody.
But when you register your database by base, you have to do yours.
Everybody in this group can do a hot backup, right?
Yeah, sure.
With step, yes.
Good. Sakisa, can you just do a hot backup?
I need to do my script. My script. I need to do my script. I don't remember that. I need to go and look. I don't have the SQL in my mind. I need to go to the script.
Worry, we'll do it together. Don't worry.
Okay, give me the script.
When you give him the SQL, you're not helping him.
He's going to remember.
That's why I say we are going to do it together now.
Yeah, but if he doesn't have it now,
I will go to my. I have it to my script.
Well,
okay, let us just be fruitful. When we are doing it together, right? You don't understand better than when you have set your brain, try to remember. At least you cannot remember everything. You can at least remember that, oh, when I want to do my hot backup, my database needs to be in the archive lock mode. You don't need to remember everything. For example, the alter database begin backup or whatever. At least one step. But if I give you the step, you will not. It's not gonna stick as when you've set your brain to look for the steps. Not even the command, the step, just the step that I need to know.
You want us to be searching for that thing now like that?
I need
so
to know.
Now what do you want him to do? Like he said,
he already said
that's the thing. It is too easy. It is too easy saying that.
It's easy for you. I have maybe 1,000 things to my head. So for you it's easy. But for me it's not easy because I have 1,000 things. You see my phone is still ringing. Maybe I have my business to do. I have my thing to do. So just go ahead, give the skill, I will move forward.
Because I'm talking like that, nothing will change now.
Nothing will change because I have 55 messages in WhatsApp. I never respond because I'm very busy. So let's go ahead and run that skip and continue.
It is gonna change something. Let me just tell you guys. It is so easy to say I don't know, and everybody helps you. You need to make the minimum effort. That means just to look. I'm not asking you guys to look for all the commands. You cannot remember all the SQL commands. It is really impossible. But at least
it's very possible that you cannot remember any of them. It's very, very possible.
It is. Yeah, it is possible. I mean, it's possible that you don't remember all the SQL command. You cannot remember all the SQL command, but at least the step like I need to know the location of my file. For example,
the step and the SQL. What is the difference?
There's a difference.
Let's go, Renata. Look, it's 9:30. Let's Akisa. We can work together.
And we are talking the same thing over and over.
We're not talking the same thing. Honestly, it is so easy, guys. We need to to make a minimum effort.
Renata, it's easy because you have gone over it. Some people have not even touched it from the day. Oh.
And it is not good.
It's not like
you have to touch your
They are not doing it. They are not doing it because they don't want to do it.
They are not doing it.
You are not in their fight to know what they have more important than this thing, or maybe something is wrong that they cannot do it.
We
if he said that is like talking, it doesn't change anything.
All right. Let's just proceed.
No. We're not proceeding. Like, you guys are not understanding. It is not good. It is really not good. Honestly, it is not good. That means they're not going forward. We cannot be going forward and other people are backward. We cannot be going
even those backup that we said in the beginning that we go over it. We did not even go over it. So since the day that we start with the core backup and then the whole backup and Arman, we didn't even touch it. And we said next time. That next time we went and do something else.
Absolutely, you guys. That's another point. You guys want to do Arman backup.
We have lost almost.
The user managed backups. You're just putting back things, fooling your head. You're fooling your head, and it is not good. You cannot want to do Arman backup when you don't even remember anything on user managed backup. What is the essence of doing that? What is the essence?
He will make his script, and then when the time you come to run it, he will go and copy and paste.
Okay, I'm okay. I'm just gonna ask a simple question. It's not even only to Sakisa, but Sakisa, do you remember at least one thing that we've done DB2? For example, if I ask you to, I want, for example, to know the.
Renata, see, let's just proceed to this question. Let's just proceed.
We are not helping them. We are not helping him.
How can you say we are not helping him when we are studying? He's learning. We are studying. He said he has the script. So when we are studying this, he's going to be taking it manually.
Okay, good. Sakisa, go over your script. I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that because
he should not open the script.
You're because he doesn't know. We are not helping him. That is
why I said he should not open his script. He should not go to his script. We should do it together. Like we know now.
What is the difference between opening it with him and him opening the script? It is not. There is no difference. Let him just open the script. Let him just open the script, and you can have the script and you don't even know what you're doing. For example, you can have the script and you're not able to do it. Let him open the script and do it. We are not helping ourselves.
Renata, opening the script and we doing it together is different. We're doing it now like this. It's just like the prof or someone doing it, and like you are not seeing anything like a script. We are just saying, okay, now we have to create a directory. We say, okay, so how do we create a directory? All of us say it. Then
yes, let's go together.
This is something we've done over and over. We've not done the user managed backup 1 time. We've not done it 2 times. I know what I'm talking about. It is something we've already done. What is the essence? I don't even know if you guys are understanding me. What is the essence?
So what do you propose him now to do? So that we can move forward.
Let him open his script and
la personne qui va épouser Renata va être forte. La personne qui va épouser Renata, quand elle est dans ses doigts.
He just said that he doesn't have the script.
It's almost 10 o'clock. I have another appointment at 10. I have it. It's almost. I have another appointment at 10. Please, we need to run and to rush and finish.
Honestly, I understand when prof gets mad. I understand because honestly, this is really it is like we've been doing nothing.
No, how you think we are not doing nothing? We are doing something.
We are left with less than 1 month
we are
for
doing
this
something.
TV2, and you guys don't even know how to do that. Any user managed backup, honestly, it is not serious. We all don't have time, but at least we have to put a minimum effort, the least effort. We left with, I don't know if it's 3 weeks or what with this DB2, and no, this is not serious, honestly. When prof gets mad, he really has a reason to get mad. This is really not serious, man. We cannot just be moving forward. We cannot just be moving forward. And if I ask somebody to, like, I want to see the users that I had in my the employees that I had in my interface from this year to that year, you will tell me that you don't know, and it's normal for you guys. We just have to. Somebody, Bibish, can just say that no, select this, select that. It is not helping because we've done it over and over. We've done it over and over. We're gonna do it now everybody is gonna say, do this, do that, do that, do that, do that. It is the same thing we've done. It is the same thing we've done, and it is not helping us. Honestly, it is not helping us. Bibi can tell you, you can see the difference when you visit yourself and say something, even if it's not right. There's a really big difference from us telling this one will say, do this, the other person will say, do that.
What do you mean,
not helping yourself.
It's just an example she's giving.
It is an example.
An example. She's not telling about me.
Not just say let's put effort. Everybody doesn't have the same brain to like gather the same thing. We have different schedules, so we must not like grab something at the same point. The level that I am is not the same level you might be. It's not the same level the other person, but we are grabbing it gradually.
This is right, Joseph. It is
the fact is that he understands. We don't understand why we are doing the backup.
Where we are now, it is not even a matter of understanding. That's what I was telling you. It is not even a matter of understanding. From where we are now, if you are not yet done with backup, then when are you gonna reach the chapter we are on now? If you haven't finished with the SQL fundamental, when are you gonna reach the chapter we are on now? It is not even a matter of time or what. It is not a matter of time. It is effort. Put a little bit of effort. We are all busy. We are all busy. But put a little of effort. If you're not done with SQL fundamental, when are you gonna finish what we're doing now? It is not, honestly, it is not fair. For real, it is not fair. I'm not talking because of somebody knows more or somebody. No, let us put a little bit of effort. Honestly, a little bit of effort. For real, these backups, we've not done it once. We've not done it twice. We haven't even done the almond backups yet. What are we doing? Why are we doing the almond backups if we haven't finished the user managed backups yet? What do you think you're gonna memorize? Even the cloning we're doing, that means it's not even necessary to do the cloning, because you cannot be doing the hot cloning and you don't even know how to do the hot backups. What are you doing? What are you doing? Honestly, we are left with less than 1 month to finish the DB2. We're left with less than 1 month. DB2 exam, you can take even 1 month. Even if they give you 1 month to finish that exam, you cannot finish it. It is so difficult. When are you gonna reach this chapter? When? Honestly, this thing is not fair. For real, it is not fair. Especially when you've been putting efforts for everybody to understand. That's why. And something no. This thing is. I'm not blaming Takisa. I'm talking to the whole class. I give an example. If I ask a question on SQL fundamental, a basic question on SQL fundamental, that person will tell me that I don't know. And for you guys, it's really normal. Okay, you don't know. Let us just move ahead. I'm not helping you. You're not helping yourself. You're not helping yourself. Making you to know. I don't gain anything making you to know that. I am not gaining anything. I'm not being paid for that. But I want the whole group to know. At least I know when we're moving forward, everybody is moving forward. If we are backward, everybody is backward. We cannot be on chapter 9 and I don't know, chapter 3. Somebody is not done with chapter 3. What are we doing? The hot cloning will be done. What are we doing on hot cloning when we don't even know how to do the hot backup? I'm not even asking you to memorize the SQL command. At least, not that when I want to do the backup, we need hot backup or cold backup. I need to know the location of my file. At least that. When you just tell me that I don't know, it's like it's really normal for some. It's not even normal for us not to know. But we know magician. We know. I don't know. We know robots. We cannot know everything. But at least a minimum effort. That when I talk about backup, you will. I don't know. You will go inside your brain and be looking for backup. What do I need for backup? I'm not even asking for the command. I'm not even asking for the command. Even during the interview, when they ask you a question, even if you don't get the question right or the answer right, at least if you get an idea that is close to the answer to the question, they can give you the job. Not because you told the answer correctly, but because you had the idea. Just because you had that idea that backup, I need to know the location or backup archives log. You just say archive, you're close to the idea. You don't know the answer, you're close. You have an idea of the hot backup. I'm not asking you guys to memorize the super command. No, because I myself, I don't know all the super commands. I'm not asking you, at least if you went through your backups, honestly, if you went through your backups, you would have known that no, for the hot backup, I need at least to create my backup directory. And you guys tell me, I don't know. I don't know. For you guys, it's so normal. It is so. People are getting jobs in DB2, right? It is not because they're magic. It is because they have been learning. If you learn, you get your job in DB2. There's no magic inside this thing. You know, at least that for the hot backup, I need to create my directory. For somebody will just tell you, I don't know. But it's so normal. It's honestly, I understand why prof really gets mad. It is not encouraging, for real. It is not encouraging. I'm not blaming one person. I'm talking to the whole group. It is not encouraging. We need to put a lot more effort. A lot more effort. These are the things, or the, I don't know, these are the words we could have said in DB1 that I don't know this. I don't know how to multiply. I don't know. For example, the next question asks us to multiply. Are you guys sure that if I ask somebody to multiply this Redo 5 without using the script, the person is gonna do it? I am not sure. I am not sure, and it is a DB1 thing. You say that I'm talking a lot, but no, I'm doing this for the sake of everybody. Everybody, one person know it is not helping us. It is not helping us. That means I cannot ask Takisa to host the meeting. I cannot ask somebody to host the meeting if I'm not there. Why? We started this thing the same day. We're gonna finish it. We're not gonna finish it the same day, but at least let us be moving together. Let us be moving together. What if what if when I get sick and I cannot be in the meetings, or I'm in the hospital for 1 month? What is gonna happen? I cannot be moving forward and you guys are backward. Honestly, it is not fair. It is not fair. You guys need to put efforts on this thing. You guys need to put efforts on this thing. DB2 is finished. Let me just tell you guys, DB2 is finished. There's no DB2 anymore. We left with less than 1 more week. There is no DB2 anymore. Redo 5 is coming. The next question is Redo 5.
Renata, calm down. Calm down. We have
no, I am down. I am down.
We have heard. Are we proceeding?
I am down.
We'll put effort.
That's better.
It's getting late. We have heard you. Thank you.
That's better.
Thank you so much.
Anyway, you can continue. Excuse me?
I said that was a good wake-up call. Thanks.
You're welcome. You can continue with the hot backup.
Okay, but I have a question on this. If we do the hot backup, are we supposed to do the Ironman hot backup, or are we supposed to do the user managed hot backup?
The normal user managed backup.
Oh, okay.
So to do the Ironman hot backup, do they have to let them know that here we have to do or you just choose?
The first question is, Ironman. Honestly, I don't know. The backups I know for Ironman, I don't know how to differentiate hot backups or cold Ironman backup, cold Ironman hot backup, and cold Ironman.
No, Ironman cold backup or
backup
hot.
and Ironman hot backup. Yes, because what I do, for example, the Ironman backups I do the full backup, full database or full database backup. This is for the backup set, or I do the backup as a copy, backup as copy archive log, something like that, and that is image copy. And there's 2 others. So I don't know what is hot, what is cold, or what is what. The Ironmans I know, the commands I know to do the Ironman. I cannot differentiate.
I think the difference is just to put hot instead of when you put when you CD and you put hot backup. I think.
When you do hot backup, right? When you CD and you put hot backup, it is the directory you've created. You CD the directory you've created, and if you created a directory with hot backup, with the name hot backup inside, of course you're gonna put hot backup. For example, if I want to create a directory for my hot backup, I mkdir minus pv slash our data slash hot
That's
backup
like
slash ORCL.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I carry out the backup, if I want to view my backup, I see the hot backup because when creating my directory, I inserted hot backup inside.
So I think maybe that is just the difference.
I don't really know for the Arman and all those stuff.
Because for the user manage, and you can really see the difference is just.
Yeah, exactly. For user manage, you can barely see. So this one is just we can just do the normal the normal user manage hot backup. So I will take it back to do the hot backup, the user manage hot backup. The first thing I want to know the location of my file, or let me just say that the first thing I want to know is what is my live location actually? What is my live location? So I will select, I can just select name from $, data file. Takisa, please go ahead. Select name from $, data file.
Doing selecting from $, data file, selecting from $, log file, and all the rest.
Attempt file.
Yeah, here are we trying to know our live location, or we are trying to know if our data are all in the or if all our files are in our data in the same.
No, we're trying to know the live location. So our live location is /our data /ORCL. I can try and select name from $temp file. If it gives me the same live location, then I'm good. So Sakisa, go ahead and select name from $temp file. So this is the first name. Well, this is the first step. I mean, know the location of your file or know your live location.
And
select name from $temp file.
At times, like some of them might be in different locations.
Yeah. $temp file. Select name unknown command.
Select. You put
there's like a typo.
Yes.
Oh,
so Renata, what in the case if some of them are in different location? What do you do?
For example, if I select my data file, it is inside our data set ORCL. My temp file is going to be in our data set ORCL, but my control files and my redo-log file can be in a different directory. For example, when we asked to multiplex our redo-log and they asked us to put another we're asking us to put, we don't need to put all the redo-logs in the same directories, like the questions we had in our exams. If you see, for example, the first one is in /our data /ORCL, that means /our data /ORCL is your live location. Your data file is in /our data /ORCL, your temp file is there, one of your control files is going to be there, one of your redo-log file is there. That means it's your live location.
Wait,
so you see that this one.
You have not answered my question. I said, what in the case if you select, like you have selected now, right? For example, your log file, for example, like you said, right? Your redo log, maybe you have 4 or 5 redo logs, right? Log group, and maybe two pointing to or data /ORCL / server or something, and maybe the others are pointing to a different directory. So if you what do you have to do in that case? Because the scenario why you're checking this is to know the live locations of your data. So if some of them are in a different directory, will you still just go on and do the proceed to issue the same command, or you're going to change something?
I think you need to change. For example, in most cases, it can be the redo-log or control file. If it's the control file, you just change the directory. You alter system. She did it last class. I think it was last class. You alter system. You set your control file to be in the live location.
All right, so you have to, first thing you have to do there in that case, you have to make sure you change the other locations pointing to the same.
To another location.
Yeah.
But on the same line.
All right, okay.
So Sakisa, you can go ahead. Okay, that's the first step. Know the location of your files. Know the location of your files. When you're good with that, the second thing you need to do is
don't do no, Sakisa, don't write no.
Don't write no.
You see the reason why you see the reason why I asked this question of like, what if another some of them are pointing to a different location? Because most people, when they are doing this thing, most people just know that they issue this command. They know the reason why they are doing it, just to know the live location of the file. Some people, to them, even if maybe somebody might see another one pointing to a different location, the person might not even know what to do. He will just know, okay, I've seen my live location and I've seen
it. I get you.
Then I can just proceed now.
If you do it without changing the location, right, when you'll be doing the backup, it's not going to back up the ones that are not.
Exactly. Yeah, I understand. I know that for real. Like those ones which are not pointing to that location are not going to be backed up. But the person, like I said, he's not going to know. And if the backup is done, he knows my backup is done. Not knowing he has left some other files.
Okay, so the next thing you need to do is create a directory for your backup. Create a directory for your backup. That's the second thing. Yeah. Sakisa.
Yes.
Create a directory for your backup.
It's 10 already. I have another meeting.
No, MKDR.
Oh, okay.
But you have to go to operating system first.
Yeah, I need to exit.
No, but you can still do it.
No, he can do it here.
With Flash, yes.
You can just put the
exclamation
mark.
Yeah.
Yes, exclamation. I forgot.
Space. Yes, MK. Yeah. Space. Minus PV.
What's the name of the directory we want to create?
Minus PV.
PV?
Minus PV. PV. Space slash.
Oradara.
Okay.
You can either Oradara, then you can put your
data slash hot backup slash ORCL.
Renata, I wanted to, in this case, you can put either a backup slash hot TLS demo or hot backup slash TLS demo or something.
Sakisa, check what are you writing there?
Right?
Yes.
Hot backup.
It is your choice.
Hot backup.
He can even put backup. If he doesn't have a directory with backup, he can put backup.
Okay.
Choice. As
so backup
Joseph said,
yes,
you can put over data slash backup slash hot ORCL. So it is your choice.
Yeah, you can put slash hot ORCL.
Okay, backup slash what?
Hot.
Okay.
We are doing the hot backup.
No, capital letters.
Why we put the capital letters? Why?
Everything hot ORCL.
Why? Because in SQL doesn't matter or if the uppercase or lowercase.
You know, you have to put a database name.
Yeah. OSCF. We can put hot in lowercase and put the OSCL in uppercase.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
Okay.
ORCL. Yeah, you can enter.
We need the semicolon, right?
Yeah.
SQL always.
Okay, your directory is created. Now, Sakisa, the next thing you need to do to know when you're doing a hot backup, you need to make sure that that database is in archive log mode. What do I do if I want to check my database? If I want to check the mode of my database, I just archive log list. If I want to check whether my database is in archive log or not, I archive log.
Archive.
Renata.
Yeah.
No.
If you do show parameter recovery, is it not going to show if you
archive log space? It's not archive logs.
No, show parameter recovery. No. Show parameter recovery. It is showing you the location
list, space list.
Yeah, where your backup is pointing to and the size.
List.
Well, I didn't get you, Renata.
LS is list, right?
Parameter recovery.
List.
It is just showing you.
List.
Yeah,
it is just showing you. It is just showing you where your backup is pointing to and the size.
Semicolon.
It's not going to show if it's archive log mode or not.
Nope. You can just try it now. It's not going to show you. Archive log list.
All right.
Enter. Okay, good. The database is in archive log mode.
Yes.
Okay, you can. Sakita, please show parameter recovery.
Yeah. Let me see something.
You check your process.
Parameter.
It's on FRA.
And just that you see, right? It is not showing you whether your database is in archive log mode. It is just showing you where your backups are pointing and the size.
I just misunderstood. I thought it was showing there. It's okay.
So actually it was a process that we were taking when we're answering our full recoverability. So good, Takisa, you can now start your backup. So you know the location of your backup.
Yeah, I think
this Aura data, right? This is the location. Aura data backup.
Exactly.
This is the location. Yeah.
Good. You know your live location. Yes, Joseph.
Yes. When you Sakisa, you can start a backup. I wanted to ask that, but before we copy, right? Before we see
alter backup begin. Alter database begin backup.
Exactly.
Renata,
so yes. You wanted to ask?
Like after we alter database begin backup, right? Because like what they explain, you can exit SQL since the database will still be
check your begin, Sakisa. Check your begin. Remove that G.
So,
yes.
So what I wanted to ask is, first, I know normally you have to I know if you do CP without you going to the backup location, is it going to copy not the backup, your live location
what is the error?
It's going to copy.
It's going to copy.
He said data. He said database. Database. Alter database. Yes.
So Sakisa, you see, right? You know your live location. You know your backup location that you've created. Your backup directory that you've created. Your database is in archive log mode. Now you can just start your backup. Alter database. Begin backup. Copy and you end the backup. That's it. This all dead.
Hey,
database not open. Start up.
Your database needs to be mounted instead.
It's not open.
Why is it not open?
Okay, all the database open.
When did we shut down the database?
I didn't see him.
No, we shut down and we start up.
When?
Oh yeah, we
shut down. We start up. You don't remember.
When we're doing
we shut down about.
We wanted to mount our database, so we did shut down the button.
Database mode, right?
Open.
So all this time we have been working, the database is down.
Yeah. All the database open.
The server is low now.
Yes, then.
It's almost 10.
It's not almost 10. It's 10.
Can I just see the other questions? All the database open.
It's multiplex. He do lock multiplex a control file. It's not gonna be easy.
No, the question.
Multiplex.
Okay,
It's not gonna be
backup base. Okay, we'll just leave the multiplexing. We'll do
perform a backup.
Backup based duplication and activate. Yeah, basically that's what I wanted us to do today. But it's
Not remove. Add the database.
Control C and enter again.
Enter,
just enter.
It's slow. It's already slow.
And nothing.
It's going to take time. I remember.
Okay, database all start. Okay, good. So copy. Okay, my question is, when I want to back up, right? From where am I copying to? Like from where to where? Back up.
You're copying from our data.
Now, is it not going to do the same begin backup?
I need to do that first.
Oh yeah. He needs to alter that this begin backup.
Oh, it's not end backup because it's begin already. The database was not open. I remember.
Yeah.
I remember.
So when I want to copy, I want to do my backup, right? I'm copying from where to where?
You copy
to the backup location.
Yes. Exactly. Yes. When I want to back up, I copy from my live location to my backup location.
Yes.
And when I want to recover, I recover from my backup location to my live location.
And if you want to switch copy, you switch from your backup location.
Backup, yeah, exactly. So when I want to carry out a hot backup, after doing the alter database begin backup command, I copy from my live location to my backup location. And in the contrary, when I want to recover, I copy from my backup location to my live location. When I want to switch copy from the backup location
to the switch copy location.
Exactly. So that's it. Now, Saki-san, you can copy, you can CP from /ORADATA/ORCL.
Start by exclamation. You are on
exclamation because you are on SQL.
That's a operating system command.
Slash. No.
You don't need to put from.
Slash. You see your location was ORADATA.
ORADATA
slash ORACL. No, from.
When do you use CP on?
You didn't.
No, you got a CP all year after putting /ORADATA/ORCL.
Yeah.
All.
But
you are copying everything.
Just do ORADATA, Sakisa. No from. Just put a slash. No. From. Remove from.
Remove from.
And there's no space in between.
CP star now. Oh no.
ORADATA.
CP star.
No.
CP ORADATA. CP slash ORADATA.
Really?
CP slash ORADATA slash
CP all is
ORACL, and you put all. And you put all. Yeah. Yes, you put and after you will do ORADATA backup again the way you did backup.
Wait, hold on. If you do CP all slash ORADATA slash backup slash hot demo, it's not gonna work.
You are not in a directory.
Don't put backup, Sakisa. Don't put backup.
It's not like I'm on operating system. I CD to my live location, then I CP all. If I was on operating system, right, I could just CD to my live location, then I CP all /ORADATA /backup /ORCL. So what you're saying works, right? It works when you're on the operating system and you're on this your present working directory is your live location. But here we are on SQL Plus, so.
Renata, if for example you exit SQL now, right? And you go to your live location, you go to ORADATA, you go to TLS, to ORCL, right? This is where he is right now, and then you list. When you list ORCL now, then you connect back to SQL, and then you do CP star. It's not still gonna work.
I haven't yet tried it honestly, so I don't know.
It's gonna work because I've tried that. It's
okay. So CP / or data / or ORCL /
all. Okay.
All. Put the 12.
Because to me, I prefer it that way. That command that way is more easier for you to remember than
space. It's a space, right?
Yes. Yeah. Data. You now put your backup location. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys. The last time it wasn't working because, like, you remember when we were trying to do RM on the RM / that thing, and they were saying that it is a directory. We were doing it wrongly, so I tried it later on, and I saw our error. We're doing it wrongly.
Oh.
That's
so,
it.
No, you put your backup location. The backup directory.
Your backup location.
It's
/hot
mash. Yeah. So the hot ORCL, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What is next?
You're good. Enter.
Yeah, it's good. We don't need to put this thing.
No.
To put what?
This string, this /hot ORCS string. I saw the string here.
No, you
I see this.
At the end?
You didn't see?
No, that's your command that you created.
It's not the command that you enter.
It's not a command that you enter.
Put it at the end.
Enter.
What are you doing? Joseph, you want to mess up everything and start over?
So basically, this is it. This is all. After copying, you just end your backup and you're done. Archive lock mode, create your backup directory. You start your backup, you copy, and you end your backup. That's all. Cold backup is more simple because you don't need to alter database begin backup. You just copy. You create your directory and you copy. That's all. Hot backup, you know your live location. You create your backup location. You put your database in archive lock mode. You alter database begin backup. You copy and then you end your backup. That's it. This is some people's job, like just doing the backups.
If they can hire me on that side, I will be happy.
Yeah, you just do the backup.
We have to pray for it.
Yes.
Every day you just go and do that. And
yeah.
The same thing.
You guys, you think that they can give you just the hot backup like this for the whole
Yes, they can.
The day you make a mistake. And
exactly, they can. But the day you make a mistake, you're going to jail.
That's when you know the job was very easy, and for you to go to jail is very easy.
I'm telling you.
Exactly.
I'm not going to jail.
Just within a second, you just type enter. Bang. Oh, you just put your hands on your head. You start looking for your passport to run
back home.
I'm not going back home.
Is it low?
No, they will fire you. That's it.
Back home.
No, they just fire you.
Who told you you think any company will just fire you like that? They will keep you behind bars for you to explain first where you study, and then maybe they will go and grab your prof.
They grab prof.
Grab prof for what? He's the one who's supposed to open your head and put everything inside.
The problem with this thing is that you really lose you lose a lot when you're doing the same thing.
Yeah.
For example, if you finish doing the school and you get a job where you're just doing backup, you'll forget everything. And
the rest of the thing. But another thing you cannot do more than 2 or 3 things that we are doing, unless it's a big company.
Yeah.
Or maybe they have less GBA.
Say that again. Say that again.
I'm saying that it's difficult that they should give you like 10 more than 2 or 3 things to do, unless it's a big company or maybe they have less.
That's true.
Really, is that how that thing is cheap? So it means once you're employed, that's all. It means it's nothing there now.
It is really the thing is just to know it.
Because
at the end of the day, when you're done with that first job, you've forgotten everything. To start to enter in the market again, start looking for that job. Man.
And you have to go and learn again.
That's why Prof was telling us that some of them come back to the interview, to the project and interview room.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, because if you go and maybe do this backup, at least maybe just say that for 6 months or a year, you forget everything.
And that's how they are. Even for example, in medicine, for example, medical school, in Cameroon, you first of all like generalist before specializing yourself. Yet they are specializing. So you're doing a focused thing. You're doing a specialized job. So you cannot go and see, for example, somebody who is specialized for I don't know what
for bones, like bones.
For bones, you go and see him that you have headache.
No.
I won't have you.
In Africa, everybody is a doctor, but not here.
Generalist.
You are generalist. You are not a doctor.
Everything before you specialize.
Before specializing, that's it.
You are not a specialized. You are
the
something
thing is that
else.
you learn a lot from what you're specializing, but you're not polyvalent. You cannot do everything.
Culture générale. It's still slow, Sakisa. International.
No, it's the backup.
Yeah, the backup take time. But can we like duplicate and no, you have to end the backup before.
End the backup. Anyway, if I have time, I'm gonna
tell you it's going to take time.
I'll try to make the script for the active duplication and the other one. So I'll send it to the group. You guys can just try to run the script and see if you can understand. For the backup-based duplication and the active-based duplication, I'll try to create the script and send it to the group.
It's almost ready.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh,
sorry, I have to leave now. Gotta go to work.
Oh, you work at night?
Yes.
Sorry. Okay, I think we're just gonna end the meeting. I guess Akisa it's about to leave too. So
we get it, Akisa. You learned something, right?
You say what?
I said we learned something today, right?
Yeah. It's good. It's fine.
What do you have to do it? Oh, Renata, you are talking about the active backup and then the backup base duplication?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can meet on Tuesday.
Okay.
So we finish this one on Tuesday, right? Or
yeah.
Okay.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Thank you, Renata.
We only do 2 questions. We only do 2 questions tonight. So.
Yeah, but we did a lot of.
It's not only Sakisa, because from here we
we did catalogs, for example. It is not on this question.
Yeah.
The catalogs and all those.
We review some stuff. We review some stuff. Yeah.
So on Tuesday,
okay, guys. See you on Tuesday.
Thank you so much. Everyone have a good weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Sakisa, please, can you send the first one to me, please?
I will send. I have everything. This is the.
No,
I
I'm saying the first part. I came.
This is the first part. You didn't see it. This is the first part. Study group June 2020. This is the first part. I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to send to my channel so you can watch it there.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Oh, thanks. Okay, I'm going to end the meeting because I'm the host.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Good night.